Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. This time our journey starts a little earlier at the market at night, where I went to buy some fresh Nile Perch. The vibe was lively and I couldn't wait to get home and start cooking, as you can see in my video, guys. Hello there, welcome to my channel. Valenciana here. Today, guys, we are preparing some pre-cooked fish. These are the fish. This is a Nile Perch. We have the pieces. Here is the Nile Perch. You know Nile Perch? Mbota. So here we have it. I want to fry it and enjoy it with some ugali. So guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, watch and comment at Valenciana. And by the way, guys, have you had or have you eaten fish eggs? Do you know fish egg? These are fish egg. These are fish egg. Looks like mutura, you can see. Or boronye. Is it boronye or boronye? Okay. Looks like this is fish eggs. Yeah, this is a fish egg. So you see, if you've never seen, here is one. So for my fish, I want to fry it with some stew, yeah, to enjoy it. So kindly, step by step, I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that I'm gonna use on my fish so that we can fry our fish. Yay, 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 our pre-cooked fish is here. And so guys, for my ingredients, I have the tomatoes here. And so guys, for my ingredients, we have salt, we have cooking oil, we have coriander or dania here, I have a red onion, I have a ginger with me, I have a garlic, then I have my tomatoes here. Then our main dish is the fish. Our fish today, we are serving it with soft white ugali. So guys, kindly subscribe, like, share, watch and comment at Valenciana. We're gonna see this on the table in a few minutes, and I can tell you, you will like it. So straight to my point, I'll start preparing my ingredients and right away I'll start my cooking. So kindly subscribe, like, share, watch and comment at Valenciana. Yo, I'll place it on fire. So after that, I'm gonna wash my tomatoes and the onion. You can see I've washed them. My tomatoes are now clean. I want to prepare my onion. So before that, allow me add some oil on my cooking pan. Our fish has oil, so we will not be doing much oil. We only need oil to cook the tomatoes and the onion. I will wash my onion too. The pan is hot. The oil is hot. You can see. We put medium heat because this is high. We now chop our onion. Either way, you can see it's dripping some water, meaning I have washed it. See? So we slice our onion. Like that. I love mashed onion. You've known that. If you've been keen on watching my videos, I love too much onion. I like the big size because I just use one or two, but mostly I do use one onion. Once you add your onion like that, take your spatula, mix very well. Stir for the oil to evenly spread on the onion like this, and allow it now to be translucent and to turn golden brown. As it's cooking, I'm here side by preparing my tomatoes. For my tomato, I cut ring round because I want it to cook very fast. I don't want my fish to have standing tomatoes. You know what I mean when I say standing tomatoes. I want them to fully cook. So we prepare our tomatoes here. As our onion cooks, 4 tomatoes are enough. 4 chopped tomatoes are enough to give you that thick broth that we need. Mix well your onion, let it cook evenly, as you can see, guys. So we are still on our tomatoes. Ensure you remove the bud. You know the bud, that part that is usually attached to the stem. So you can see. I can add bit by bit of my tomatoes to start cooking as I cut. So add your tomatoes, as you can see. Let's complete chopping our tomatoes. My knife is not that sharp, that's why I'm a bit slow. So like that, add the other tomatoes like this. Mix well. I love cooking. I do mostly cooking videos because after all, this is the food I usually eat. So for me, I cook what I usually eat on a daily basis. So you mix well until you can see it's softening. So like this. Mash well to ensure your tomatoes cook. See what I'm doing? And you add your salt, your table salt, iodized salt, Himalayan herbal salt, whichever salt you use, sea salt, yeah. Add to your tomatoes. Once you pour like that, they soften up very fast and they cook. Mama, wacha kufanya hivyo utavunja. So you can see the tomatoes have their own soup. The broth I was telling you about is here. The tomato soup. You can see I've not added any water. I will add this, something I had forgotten. This is a Royco cube. 2 Royco cubes are enough. Royco cube is for adding flavor and taste. Tastes so nice when you add Royco cube to your food. Those who take Royco cube can attest to that. Yeah, it makes your meal taste so good. Like that. Mix very well. Remember, we are cooking fish. So you mix it very well like that. Once done, take your ginger, add to your fish, grate it like this, or you can pound it using a pestle and mortar if you have them. I grate it like this because it's usually very bitter when you eat it like this. It's very usually bitter, yeah. Just to do that, you can see I've added my ginger. After adding ginger, take your garlic. I've washed it. You can see some water dripping off. You can also grate it like that. One piece is enough. Mix everything like that. Wow, the smell, wow, smells so nice. After that, now I forgot to tell you guys my fish with milk here. I love milk. Most of my stew, for beef, chicken and fish, I use milk. So we will add some milk. I'm gonna add some milk here. Add milk to your tomatoes and onion like that. Mix it very well. You have seen I've not added the turmeric today. For now, I don't want turmeric. Although turmeric is very good, but sometimes I don't do turmeric. We add some more milk to it. We do measurements like that. We add it. See, this is fresh milk. Add it again like that. Once you do that, ensure your soup or your broth is tasty. Yeah, ensure it's tasty. After that, now take your fish. Take your fish and add it to your cooking pot. These are mabawa wings. These are wings. Just put them. We only want them to be soft because they're already cooked. You can see. Hii ukipewa na ugali ya brown, you will love it. Like that. Then here are my eggs, the fish eggs. Just put them like that. After that, mix it, let it cook, and you will enjoy. You know, for fish, you don't keep flipping. You don't keep flipping because it will turn out to be like uji. It may separate, which is not good. So after that, guys, it's now time to cover our fish and let it cook for about 5 minutes. As our fish is boiling, now let's prepare our coriander. You can see our coriander. Yeah, you have to make it because usually it has that, you know, the way they come just from the farm. Yeah, that is how they usually know. You will have to remove the bad part. Yeah, so like this. Once you remove the bad part like that, remove the stem. You can either cut using a knife or your bare hands, like that. Wash it thoroughly and continue. So here is a washed coriander, as you can see. So let's chop it. Let's check on it. You can see. Our fish, guys, is ready. As you can see, it didn't need much time to cook, as shown. So guys, here is our fish. You can see it's ready. Our fish is ready to eat. Very yummy. Wow. I'm to add our coriander like this. I love it. Yeah. To cook our ugali, place our cooking pot. Add 500 ml of water. Bring it to boil. Cook your ugali. That's simple. So guys, it's now time to cook our ugali. We add like that. We want soft ugali. You can see that ugali is not too much. So we start our cooking. It's very hot. Usually this pot is usually hot. Serve my fish. Now time to serve my fish. Wow. I'm starting with the egg. Have to eat the egg first. You eat fish until you feel, yes, I have eaten. For our soup, it's not that much, but you can see it's not dry. Like that. And our meal is ready. So you see my plate of fish. You see? my plate of ugali. You see? So you want to enjoy our ugali, guys? Okay, kata. Kakula. So guys, it's now time to enjoy our fish and our meal. Kula ugali mama. Kula fish bas. Sasa unakula londo, kula ugali. Shika fish. Sasa ubaya wa kukula ulipoanza kukuka. It's very yummy. Sawa.